aiga ntubwate showroom asura chabwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engare eyuerengia na woigo ekogokia riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na woigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche 25 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Were bya mwanchomo ligerali chinsa ninye chia abono botukoli tukeligalia Jumamosi chitariki 15 mutianyino wa gatatu mwaka wa 2025 kene kionga weekend chinsa nye cheni gongoro kwa runyo toto nyaingiri na ekionga chinsa nye niko toko cha kalimulioka korwa ase ward ya Gisusu bunge nyeri bali Masabe county ya Kisii ase omo senator omukorobwe county ya Kisii omoske Professor Sam Kegengongeri anyata kaba gakorwa okoboli ase omugusi again anyala kaba gakochamo na kubwatira na chinjira ao waigo ninganyata kaba gakoboli omugusi buna chingaki omuske Fred Okeng Matiang'ara sokie na kurwe birengere byaye igoro yenguma gichingwa muna na chikoboli kerokyo president anyala kaba gakoywa amagoko oyiga nigo goseni go senator ogelere kwa naiga ase omuyoga wa matanga ime ward ya Gisusu
kabagambi abanda abaya n'abanda ababi nani nyasaye nero kurusyo lyoro mobe moteania egento kyo kagera bakurere ekera tabatebeti nabera aba makosa sene bune omurai egento kobatebia nekia enkoba buya ekero mugochamo mutareramo igoti nagende siko ya Biblia ekera Psalms 133 nekia gontebia nekere buya geta bagoraki bagochamo ogusioyo nchwamo onyetaribo goteana muri moja komboria baadaye ngongeri za quality nchwamo morabuna moja kwa baguchi bosio unetaranga mugambi oli bwensi lakini ugo chamo nchwamo tige bitina tige bero libero nchwamo mugambe moite inchireyemo ilio moelio mwana unde nero mogusiga bona kanto mongo tiati mkwane gentekyo haya omwana okuru Fred Matiang'i okuru America igantuma otoma esimime erongori gocha semureken na atuma gocha Nairobi Central ekara igwete ko mwaka ono yo minto nero ntuma bona bobe na akodire barenga bako mwanjira nero na ko babuya biya mono igo Nyasaye abasesenie na ntoma na shilingi 20 na inche chiane na menti lichiri bui 10 jabele n'ubusarasini tokonye mo sigorega ose no keane na ninji wezera bwate kyagaso kende tima esinkereki ekarara achiwe kana batebi mwacha batebi nasaba sesini
na mwanchu muligero kunenchera yamo yoko kiana chitegi chigenga omumerere bwe county ya Kisii muskedonya Dori Siaburi nigo asamiri abangina n'abasubati gokiania amalio mana asinyomba chiabo muna enchera yamo yoko kiania emaliogi na ukomana gosokurutana amangana uwochi kwareta chitegi chigenga gose gender based violence
ne tina bibi chirende chimando kibabwana ngirende mo chawore kanisa Bani chakale kuomana narenge jirani ngachanganyora ekero kuomana igongorosa chinguru chiane chinyinge nkobeka na arosa dika nkogenda nonye ninywa mache abantu natonale kunywa mache tokonyora chinga kichio kuomana gochina nje mogoso makende ko basende igo nonya ale kukwata mache kale mungu nochiko nyumora mache ndonjira ndichisita ne bana kwane kanisa abanye nabamito ngo chikunitara amazi toira amangana make kare na bwete kero kubo kamambi na kero musanya nesini na matebiani iga kwaerese gore michimoro chimechiningi michimagu. Imagine you are wasting time. Tako ne utangase compound yao. Tako ne watawana ngoko ya otiri kobeka magino konya kujiragiri. Aya kibera mimi chambe yao kile Nyasaye na akoleta kitu. Nyasaye na aro. Ngo tuatebile ndiyamo
na eskuru ya secondary ya bamura ya kabirigo litukolia lero ni yanya ko bagwa siolia ekirenga moneganga yayo mwako yiga samutemo manene AKCSE ayago jokolwa omwali bo mwako yiga kubarengana amono mwalimu munene bwa eskuru eyo Clement Nyangacha nige eskuru eyo bwato morobolio yo chikwane kango nyorere chi point kianda chinuguta isato na isano gose 9.35 ase amatemwa yago jokoleka omwaka osoko siko chia omwali bo mwako yiga roboti ururwale gono mulikito koro chinseme chio fatiga December
eskuru ya secondary ya bamura ya kebirigo eyo yabeire eyemo yabo asechiria chigokoria buya kurwase county ya Nyamira ase amatemwa manene nigo basioriri emin ya kianda chinuguta isato isano usio kwa amatemwa manene yo mwaka oyoiga.
Now by the powers bestowed upon me as the minister of the gospel, let me quote the verse that they have put underneath the preferred mean for this year, 9.35, but remember we put for 9.5. Strengthens you, renews you to rise high on your wings like eagle. Be an eagle of this great school. And it's my prayer in Jesus' name.
Omwarimu omonene bw'esukuru eyeiga Clement Nyang'acha nigo atebire ekerenga kiabo ekenene ase omwaka oyo nokwenekia buna inkogendereria bare gokoria buya na nigo asabire abaibori abarimu nabo igo aborokiwa bonsi kobeka omokia ase ogoikerania biria bibatungetie buna enchira eyemo yabo yogoikera ekerenga kiabo.
Here because of our voice. You are not here because of me. I'm not here because of you. We are here because of the voice. And our wish is to see every child walk out of this place with their heads held high. We want to see every child not as a disgrace to the parents, but as a blessing to the parents. And we have what it takes to ensure that these boys have achieved this that we have purposed to achieve here. So, with the prayers that you give us, with the support that you give us, we'll be able to go places. And I want to promise you that this school is not going, we are not going to talk of number 2, we are not going to talk of number 4, we are going to talk of number 1.
Eskuru eyeiga asa matemwa aeta bachakirete grade kia A nigo omwarimu oyo agenderera kogokera amachibu ayo amaya banyorete buna eskuru eyo ya Kibirigo ekero akubwekania amachibu korwa ase chisukuru chinde chia Gusii.
And out of the 1A that was there in the whole sub-county, the 1A came from where? Kibirigo. Are you getting that? In the whole county, we had only 4 airplane. Sisi tulichangia moja, but mwaka huu tutachangia zaidi ya 10. And when I was looking at the whole sub-county of 50 schools, there were 42 A-minuses. Out of the 42 A-minuses, 23 were from KB. 23, more than half. On Monday, those ones will be at Manga Stadium. The county, we are going to have County Education Day. Out of the top 5 students in the whole of Nyamira County, our boys, 2 of our boys are there.
Inko reporter Getembe korwa ase skuru eyeiga ya Kibirigo eye gotoka emeye ward ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Gisemba
Mwanjo muligero litotigarite nseme ya Gisemi nigo omosenata omochori kurwase county ya Kisii omosike ezi okenyo ya Nyeni agenda niganga yayo gosira chitemi asinsemo ao ase litko igoro anyatoka baga wikirana ase skuru ya Masakwe gotoka ime ward ya Sensi ebunge ya Gito Churches North county ya Kisii anyatoka baga kubwatuka obosemia ao gochia sabarokwa beskuru yo
babikumukia sa masomo na kubwatira ebitabo mune karamu kuboko eribi agachiro bumubya bwa matuka gocha buna butambe na beregi ngonchukanana na gutara chiskuru wa ime county yetu ya Kisii na rero nibona ikira igabuge tutu eribono tubwatirane n'abarimu amona abayiburi gusegeta na kuburi abana baitu babikumukia sa masomo na gambire n'abana baitu asobwagari na ababuri bitanga n'ibikoro bibawo birabasatiya masomo nabona gutume kamaryogo yo gutindia gutwaro bwene n'ubucia saba ibura mona barimu ibikorwa bwanchana bwa mapema igandukira abarenderera amarita mapema na kubasarira amasomo abo amuno bugima bwabo bwankyo.
Mimi na hakika kama hawangeongeza siku ambayo waliongeza kwa sababu ya mvua, tulisema na mvua, Kibaki alikuwa ameshinda. Kibaki ndiye alishinda hiyo uchaguzi. Uchaguzi ambayo imekuwa naita free and fair tangu tulete hii mfumo wa siasa yenye vyama vingi ni 2002. Hiyo peke yake. Hizi zingine zote unajua SK amwambia nyinyi. SK amwambia nyinyi. Kwa hivyo mimi usimwambie mimi nataka mimi nishinde. Mimi sashinda mara mingi. Sijatangazwa tu. Mimi najua mwaka juzi tulikuwa nasema fungeni 7. Tulisema tufungeni 7. Maana tulikuwa najua ndani ya 7 kuna ukweli. Walifungua. Lakini muhimu ni kwamba Kenya ni mkubwa kushinda sisi zote. What's important is democracy is a project. It's not an instant coffee that you brew and drink at the same time. What is important that Kenya remains together. Hakuna haja ya kusema Raila asimame 1927 kama 27 hiyo Kenya itafika pale kama imechomeka. Kenyans need to live between now and 2027. It's now. Gharama maisha ni juu sana ya Wakenya. Wakenya wanaumia. Bei ya chakula iko juu, ushuru iko juu sana. Mambo hii ya ufisadi imepanda. Ndio sababu tukaweka ile mkataba, tumeweka 10-point agenda. Na hiyo 10-point agenda sio usalata. Wewe unataka tufanye namna gani? Kama kuna njia nyingine, unasema Ruto aende. Aende alafu nani ifanyike? Mbele pale Ruto aende aweke Gachagua. Sasa Ruto aende, Kindiki aende, abaki pale. Baadaye
Odinga uri gukwanira abo mobwaye gusoko bwatana kwaye gusoko bwatana igati aya muno muraibu ense Mosque William Ruto na nigariko ya kwa nayo ase amwegabwa matanga mwako mwenia omwana cheshi gusomurunde chindege kan James Gitai uyo nyate kwa gusiro mabwaye oyibo igore omusacha uwo senator bwa omwachole gusoma senator omwachole bwa kiama gya ODM omosubati omoskepeti Montete omuyigo nyariko bakwane kiwachinza mwachi ya Manzoni county ya Machakos totigate asenseme ya Manzoni somo yigo yuyo nigo egati ya basenata baranyole bagali okwana sayo banyaka bakuru birengere byabo kuba mono igoro yo kubwatana egati omuraibu enso Mosque William Ruto nabo igo omuraibu kiama gya ODM omoskerera Amoro Odinga asabanyaraka bagote babuna nigo kubwatakana mono kubwatana okwo nigo kero montara chikoba gakogenda gukora emirimo yaye elia cholde na bakenya gukora gosoko ikirania
advertisement kwa sababu huo mkataba hauzungumzii haya maneno na rais mwenyewe anajua. Nilisikia akiambia watu wa Nairobi kila mtu afanye kazi yake. Mimi sitapitishwa kura kwa sababu ya mikutano ngapi nilihudhuria tukiwa na rais. Kazi yangu ni pale Senate nitafanya, yeye afanye yake. 2027 wananchi wafanye nini? Waamue. Na baba mimi baada ya kusaini hiyo kitu unajua kazi yangu ni rahisi sana. Mimi nakaa na marking scheme tu. Nakaa na marking scheme. Siku na agenda 10 pale. Iwapo Mkenya mwingine yeyote atachukuliwa na polisi ati abducted afichiwe mahali, chama cha UDA na kiongozi wake William Ruto karibisha speaker. Asante sana, Mungu awabariki.
I want to appreciate finally Prime Minister, thanks to your wisdom that you consulted with the people who have always stood with you and you made certain decisions that you have placed this country on a particular path. Many may not agree with you. There are some that agree with you. But I believe, like SK has told us, at the age of 80 plus, you get the license to make certain decisions which young men like us cannot make. So we stand in accordance to the wisdom that you have taken. My colleague, Senator Sifuna, has said he will have the marking scheme. And part of it is right. The only problem is that some of that marking scheme does not belong to Raila and Ruto. Like disbursing money to County Sifuna, that is your job and my job. That one we must do. We cannot leave it to them.
Na gukorera mwancho murigereri omorugi bo murai bwense omosubati Rachel Ruto niganya ko bakwana ke buna serikali nige bwate merobolio yo gushikwana kia bunango era nera mabere guchesa baro kigwa bali bali chisukuru muna yakabere kale asogota abuna gente kira konye asogo kinia abaro kigwa gusabana gukina ase babugate gusase mebere miya kubwatakana amo nobochen.
This pilot, managed by the Kenya Dairy Board under the stewardship of the State Department of Agriculture, will provide valuable insights and shape the framework for a sustainable national rollout. As the champion for Global School Meals Coalition in Kenya, I invite you to join me in the push for a national school meal program as a vital component of our school meals initiative. We are actively advocating to secure the necessary budgetary allocation to make this dream a reality.
Indeed, Your Excellency, this is a timely initiative that speaks to the bottom-up economic transformation agenda through the empowerment of our farmers and an approach that is a sustainable initiative.
You're talking about issues to do with food security, improved nutrition, which we come in handy as a ministry, promotion of sustainable agriculture, and all that is together. We will get milk that will be taken to the children, and again, the children will be healthy.
Na asense mwe chikosoli mwancho murigereri ritukolia rero nigo kiminano go Kenya ko kwariganirwa gose biminano ko kwariganirwa gati ya barko beki University ya Kisii nabo igo abanyangongo kurwase orugongo rwa Nyanza ime gosasa mocheso mwe kidamna scrapo oyore amangana gosokoro cia amangana korengana gosokubwatakana amo nechinuguta ne agostoli etamanyiri mono mwancho murigereri korende kubwatakana amo no mukyoyo nigegendete konyara koba ke kubwatanze na kwanchwa nabange.
My name is Magongo Nandi from Homa Bay. I must say I'm very glad to be here in the southern Nyanza region, scrap tournament, and I say I'm happy to have won the championship today. I happen to have been the first national champ in the tournament that we had in 1990. So our aim is to promote scrap in this region, and I think we are doing that by going by the number of people who have come here. And we also have the young generation in the form of students who are here and played quite well. I had quite a rough time because the players have become quite tough now, and it's been quite a big challenge.
Nelson Monyoro, Igongwa category P. As a category P, go to a take with Sigrapo, Mochia, who would become a little song. Go on, what was in the Naga, Gaba, the hospital, and Gaso would become a little you. The boy go, you won't walk in trap, Ibeno, I think 20% easy. Kuno mwa kwa yate wane rutanga ine kurwa sende nationals na nje kurugusiga ninje ndanga ine na boigo na boke sana muna tuwa kiri mochia soyo na ndo tutaita banta bangi baba mochia soyo abana besukuru bae gelikwe elino mochia soyo manye kande muno manye kande South Nyanza bako mochia soyo nota kere omanye ege songo aket no tamanya mono na ndo take obe no so mete elinde karukulika kwanya kulika boro demand chicheke ndeke ya one oboro ya sana karukulika ege songo yetega na ile to expose kutia sana ndwanda bangai sana mu abaka muna aba most of these guys are quality professional na ine baso mete sana ile aro ya to konyo wala kurwa segende ya to konyo ni tole kwa nyamina batako.
Yeah, my name is Stanley Mulaku. I'm an international scrap player with vast experience playing the game for the last 25 years. Glad to be here today in Kisii, mingling with students, trying to grow the game within this region. Just wish to encourage the younger players to come up, encourage also people from this region to try and sponsor this game because it's a very good game that really sharpens skills, both mathematical and English skills.
Mwancho mulige kirabo no tokorera ekionga weekend litukeriga lia lero lia Jumamosi lia gitariki 17 cy'umutinga gatatu mwaka wa 2025 togenanga byamana sengencho kwa beire na into korwa emambi goikachize chigo mwancho mulige ndogente kokera emerobelia ito yonsi ego chira ya masaya mukuru sigata senike kya Gatembe TV ekionga kya mamosi je ni gongoro ku Haroni Ototo nyangiri koganiria obotukobuya angyo kande
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Jose Modis